And these high
And
leverage positions you're taking, you're doing with Gains Network, where
yeah, so this is where I have the Ethereum short running to its
up to 40.
gains, and yeah,
Let's
let's
go.
go.
Yeah.
And this runs on Arbitrum. It runs on the Arbitrum chain and
Mhm.
also like the Polygon
Polygon.
chain, right?
Yes. So you can use your Matic if you're already on Matic or Polygon, you can use this as well to trade. Like you see sits
Yeah, so
trading
like
Ethereum, you can also trade
there's
stocks. There's
gains
indexes.
trade, and another one I like to use is called Cap.
Yeah.
So they work pretty much the same. What I do is like I I use either, but like Gains has like stocks too, which I like.
Yeah. Gains
So like you
also
can.
notably gains when you set a stop loss order on Gains,
Mhm.
it's like a market order, but it's guaranteed to fill at your price. Whereas
Which is good.
on Cap and on like GMX and even on like the other big one is DYDX, if you're setting
Right.
stop orders on those, they are true stop market orders. And if the order book isn't deep enough at your market, you could see quite a bit of slippage on your stop losses. So it's really nice to use Gains Network with like the positions that you're taking specifically because you're doing such high leverage positions. You really don't have a lot of room for slippage when it comes to your
Right.
stops. Because even a
Yeah,
point
like you
point
needed to
seven
hit,
percent or something is that like
right.
0.1%. That like you've lost like 10% more if you've taken that slippage.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Especially like if I'm doing like 1,000x and
yeah,
if
yeah.
I'm like,
Then like
the
0.01%.
GBP
Yeah,
forex. Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
So you needed to hit. So
Yeah, and so that is really really nice feature of Gains Network where once you've set the stop and it is confirmed on by the blockchain, that price is also a guaranteed price. So even if we experience a flash crash or something like a black swan kind of market event, your orders will fill at their stop limit price, or I'm sorry, at their stop price that you've set. Like,
nice.
yeah. So that's really really cool. It's another big reason why, and it's also if you pull up a Gains Network, I love how you can just click and drag to move the stuff around. Like you see,
Yeah. So like,
yeah, you
for
see,
example, I might just do that now. So here's my stop loss for Ethereum,
yeah,
and this is like the 15-minute chart. I'm gonna like, pull it down here, so at least it's break even now.
yeah,
And so you just drag. Whoop,
yeah,
it
simply.
must be sometimes it glitches. So I'm just gonna refresh.
Oh yeah, yeah, that
Um,
should fix it. But yeah, the fact that you can literally just click
yeah,
it on the chart, like you'll see here, he's just gonna click it, drag it to where he wants the new stop loss to be, and it'll automatically prompt him to sign the transaction. There it goes. And now it'll update the stop loss price. It's also really relatively
and
affordable.
look at how cheap the fees is in Arbitrum. $0.69.
Yeah,
That is super cheap.
yeah, that's way way less than you'd find on like
And then I
Ethereum.
hit confirm. And that's it.
And now that stop
Updated.
loss is guaranteed to fill at his target once it's so
Yeah,
there. You see on the top
1,889.
right, you see where it says stop loss price updated. Done and done. You can go to bed. You
And
can
also here you have it.
yeah. You can now you can go out to the bar. You'll know that like even if you're out having drinks or whatever, your order is protected. I really
Yeah,
like this
exactly.
interface is great. Like the only downside here is that they do have a minimum position size. So you can see on the bottom right side there, the minimum for an Ethereum position is $7,500 or DAI,
Yeah, exactly.
which is
See,
kind of steep for some
and,
traders.